Hello guys. Welcome to Centaur Interactive channel. Today, we will discuss tips and strategies to drive sales for e-commerce marketing. Let's get into the topic. The world can be at your fingertips in the present day, owing to the emergence and widespread use of the internet. For e-commerce merchants, this is undoubtedly a boon. Setting up a website and selling online can drive sales to a large extent. However, an e-commerce company needs more than just a website to succeed. For it to be effective, a wider range of e-commerce marketing methods must be used alongside it. Every online retailer wants to boost traffic and sales. It can be difficult to choose which marketing techniques to use, even after you've put together a basic strategy. Let us delve deeper into the idea of e-commerce marketing and look at some marketing tips along with the most effective methods for implementing it. What is e-commerce marketing? In simple terms, e-commerce marketing is about raising awareness of your business and, in doing so, raising your e-commerce conversion rate. It also works to retain those customers after an initial purchase, encouraging more purchases from that customer going forward. E-commerce marketing, particularly digital e-commerce marketing, can help in growing brand recognition and generating sales. Your organization may leverage affordable avenues like search and social media to expand your business with e-commerce marketing. Search engine optimization, SEO, email marketing, and pay-per-click, PPC, advertising are all used in e-commerce marketing. Tips to drive sales. Increasing sales using e-commerce marketing has to be adapted for each business. However, there are some tips that can generally be used for most businesses. Number 1, create custom landing pages. Number 2, provide informative product descriptions. Number 3, social media advertising. Number 4, optimize your website to be mobile friendly. Number 5, encourage website visitors to buy similar items. Number 6, upsell your items. Number 7, reduce abandoned carts. Number 1, create custom landing pages. Personalization is the key to winning over your customers. Divide customers from your target audience into smaller groups. Then, create specialized landing pages that are tailored to each demographic group. Since every landing page must have entirely original material, this can be time-consuming. However, by tailoring your content to each section of your target market, you can produce a sales funnel that feels unique and improve the effectiveness of your e-commerce marketing strategy. Number 2, provide informative product descriptions. Putting forth accurate product descriptions is essential for both the customers and search engine optimization. A dearth of understanding about the products you sell can lead to a lot of customers going away. This is something that could deter customers from even starting to add items to their carts. Writing product descriptions that meet the demands of your clients is thus essential. This must be balanced with the requirements of search engines, therefore you should think about a more comprehensive SEO approach. Everything you think is useful, including product size and fundamental attributes, can be included. Number 3, social media advertising. Social media market is the biggest need for any marketer in the contemporary world. There is hardly anyone across the world who is not on social media. The number of people using social media will only grow in the future. Social media marketing also has additional benefits. Numerous social media networks have developed recently to improve the purchasing experience, which is a key objective for e-commerce marketing. In many instances, the structure of that platform makes retail functions a natural match. Social media marketing typically uses vivid, alluring graphics to entice potential customers. It is highly suitable for items that may be shown in such an environment. Number 4, optimize your website to be mobile friendly. You must ensure that customers can access your website via mobile devices in order to explore the web and make purchases. This is because many customers spend most of their day on their mobile phones. Responsive design is the ideal method for doing this. Clients will be able to explore your website and purchase your goods from almost anywhere in the globe. Additionally, Google began using mobile friendliness as a ranking criteria in April 2015. This means that a mobile-friendly design is a must for e-commerce marketing if you want customers to discover you on search engines. Number 5, encourage website visitors to buy similar items. When individuals shop online, there is no salesman around to provide recommendations for more things. Your website must act as the salesperson for e-commerce marketing to be successful. You can recommend items that could complement each other or similar items for your customers. This can give customers the required nudge to buy more products from your website. Number 6. Upsell your items. This refers to encouraging a buyer to choose a superior product than the one they originally intended to buy. This strategy is excellent if you want to increase your sales from each customer. Upselling is the practice of adding a little more costly item to a customer's cart in place of another product. It might also mean promoting the purchase of a complementary item. When trying to upsell a product, you must first sell something that is closely related to or pretty similar to the original item. The fixed price of the consumer must also be taken into account. The initial price a buyer sees on your website, which encourages comparison with other items, has to be considered. Your upselling attempt will fail if the more expensive product has no compelling reason to be chosen. You must provide comprehensive information on the items you sell. You should also connect these specifics to real advantages for your client whenever you can. Bear in mind that upselling has its limits, especially in light of the fact that many pricey things are thoroughly studied before purchase. Number 7. Reduce abandoned carts. To achieve a reduction in abandoned carts, we must first comprehend the primary reasons why customers leave shopping carts unattended in online stores. Number 1. The checkout procedure itself is a significant contributor to shopping cart abandonment. Long and difficult checkout processes will undoubtedly put off many website visitors. Number 2. Delivery timings are another issue with the checkout procedure. There is a limit to what customers will bear, even though waiting times are a concern for any online sales in general. Taking away obstacles to returning items is one strategy to decrease shopping cart abandonment. For example, you could want to provide your customers with a money-back guarantee on your items as well as easy, lucid return procedures. People may be more inclined to purchase something if they are aware that there are little obstacles to altering their views afterwards. It's crucial to keep in mind that a shopping cart abandonment need not result in a lost transaction. Consider enticing visitors to return. Number 1. An incentive pop-up that shows when a consumer moves their cursor away from your store gives them a promotion or other perk to stay there. Number 2. Send a consumer an email inviting them back if they have already left the site. Offer to provide them assistance with whatever hurdles they might be facing. Hope you liked the video. Do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more e-commerce related updates.